Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a custom cursor in Chrome as well as outside the Chrome. First go to custom-cursor.com. Here I've already opened it. You can see we have here many cursor packs, like this is a Chinese or Japanese anime cursor pack, Hanako Kon Minamoto. This is a stapler cursor, a flower cursor, tulips cursor, minimal blue dragon cursor. We have tons of custom cursors here. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see it is for Chrome or for Windows. If you want only a custom cursor in the Chrome, you can download it extension for Chrome. I have already downloaded it, and if you want the custom cursor outside the Windows also, you can download for Windows. So I've already downloaded both of them. Let me show you how they work. I've already added the link of extension as well as the Windows app in my description. You can check that. When you click on for Chrome, it will forward you to the Chrome web store. You can install it from here. Now simply go like this, open the extension and choose any cursor you want. It's a pre-default library of cursors already installed in this extension. By clicking any one of them, like I'm going to select the Popeye cursor, you can see it's very easy and the custom cursor is already set. You can change the size by clicking here of the cursor like this. See, it will get bigger, and if you will move it to left, the cursor will get smaller. Plus, if you want to turn it off and move back to default cursor, click this button, select any of it, it will set the custom cursor. And if you want to move it to default, just click this and the default cursor will be set again. Now if you want to add any more cursors other than the default library, you can simply open the custom-cursor.com rating. Like if I want to add this, I will just click on add button and the custom cursor will be added. Now you can see the custom cursor has been added and you can find it here. Let me find it. It's here. See, just click on it and the custom cursor will set. It's so easy, but it will work only in the Chrome. To set the custom cursor outside the Chrome, you need to download the Windows app. You can download the Windows app from the link in description. Just click on it. I've already installed it. It's very easy to install. Like if I want this outside the Windows, I will just click add the custom cursor for Windows. I will click on this, will prompt this, always allow custom cursors to open in time. Open custom cursor and let me show you. Okay, so I will click on apply and the cursor will be applied like this. In settings, you can change the size of cursor you want by pressing this button. It will be set back to default cursor. By clicking it again and go to home and apply any cursor, the cursor will be applied. All of them are default cursors. If you want more cursors, you can simply click here on add. Okay, if you want the custom cursors like a highlight cursor or anything like that for YouTube videos or for screen recordings, you can simply go to this link. I have added this link in the description, rw-designer.com/cursor-library. Here you can find tons of cursors, custom cursors for Windows. The page ranges to 186. So there are a lot of cursors. If you want the highlight cursor, just simply write here highlight and press enter. There are highlight cursors, like I'm going to like I will see this. If you click on download here, it will download all of these cursors. If you want just any one of the cursors, just click on it and click download, and it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so I'm just going to tell you how to upload your cursors. Go to upload cursors, click here and select any of the cursor you want. Like I'm going to select the green highlight. Type your name like green and click save. Custom cursors pack created. Go to home, and here you have the cursor, your custom cursors. Click on apply and the cursor will be applied. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, then here apply. See, it will work outside the windows, and see, like this. It's very easy and a very handy tool for people. For and simply adjust the size. You can simply go to home and apply any other cursor, like the blue highlight, like the red highlight, purple highlight, or any other cursor you want. So it's very easy, very simple. Just go to custom-cursor.com/en. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your other friends. Thank you very much. Goodbye.